It's interesting because with any kid, you don't want to do it because mom's always done it. When they can do it themselves, you're proud of that. That's something that is so important for that independence.
I'm going on an adult. Yes, it made me less nervous. One time I accidentally burned a pan in the oven. Yeah, even kitchen safety will prevent something like this from happening again. And I wasn't being careful around an oven that leaned in too close, burnt my arm.
I'm afraid I might cut myself in a knife. Now, I'm not. This has circles. This helps me not to cut myself. I just put my 2 fingers right there, and I cut with my knife, my other hand. And that's how I'm not getting bloody. That helps me a lot.
Just to see that pride that they have of something they created and made for themselves that somebody didn't have to do for them. It's really cool to see that come together.
When you live with your parents, you learn how to live with your parents. When you move out, you learn life skills. So while we piloted this here and in other places, we already have the infrastructure of EasterSeals. We already have the client base. Now we have an offering where we can help even more of our clients gain independence, skills, and frankly, find more connection to their community.